Nowadays, rolling fancy stones all over your face is very popular. It has been used as ancient beauty secret and recently gained popularity as it actually works. It's the Jade roller, which helps to improve blood circulation, reduces the bags under eyes, boosts lymphatic drainage almost instantly, and leaves you with defined features. So we came up with 5 best Jade rollers on Amazon that will provide immediate fresh glow skin. Let's check them out.
The Trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Dissini is a reliable brand that believes in healing skin naturally, and their jade rollers are made of 100% pure jade stone with no additional chemicals. This double-ended jade roller helps to promote blood circulation and absorbs your favorite skincare product. It is especially designed for a smooth and soundless experience while rolling on your skin. Its thick and strong handle makes it easier to use and very durable. The benefits of jade rollers are immense, and they are made of pure Brazilian rose quartz jade stones. They come with a gua sha scraping tool which helps to relieve pain and tension from your body. The Dissini Jade Roller and Gua Sha set earned a good number of reviews and ratings from the users on Amazon. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews, this high-quality jade roller is very effective to use. It worked for thousands of users, but according to some, it was difficult to use it. It's time to rate this jade roller. According to the users, the deal is great according to the price it's offered by. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 4 out of 5. It's available at around $17, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The Beauty by Earth Jade Rollers are our next favorite jade rollers that are made with extreme attention and craftsmanship. The rollers are simple, yet effective on skin. They are made of 100% aventurine jade and non-squeaky rollers that don't make any noise while rolling it on skin. It is ergonomically designed for comfort handling. The jade roller helps to reduce puffiness, soothe inflammation, improve your skin tone, reduce facial tension, and enjoy a sweet moment of relaxation. The big roller is used for large areas of face, and the small roller is used for areas around your eyes. The stone itself is cool for soothing your stress and puffiness away. The Beauty by Earth Jade Rollers are available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. Check some real reviews from the users. The reviews say it all. This jade roller has been its users' favorite jade roller. It makes skincare routine more enjoyable. Some users didn't notice any difference on their skin. It's time to rate this product. According to the users, it is highly recommended jade roller. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 4 out of 5. It's available at around $18, so our rating for its price goes 5 out of 5. If you are looking for an energizing jade roller, the Kimkoo Jade Roller Kit is the right choice for you. It is durable and resistant and can be used for a whole lifetime. The kit comes with a jade roller, ridge roller, and gua sha tool. The jade roller helps to smoothen fine lines, makes skin glow healthy and radiant, and reduces dark circles. The ridge roller helps to relieve skin tension and promotes blood circulation. And the gua sha tool is a natural alternative therapy that involves scraping your skin to improve circulation. The rollers are made of 100% real jade stones. The best part about this kit, it comes with 3 different tools for different experiences. It is suggested to keep it in refrigerator before use to receive better experience. The Kimkoo Jade Roller Kit is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. Check some real reviews from the users. After going through the reviews, this Jade Roller Kit is definitely recommended by the users, which makes skin glow. It is a great set according to its price, but while there were lots of positive appraisals, some complained the material isn't that good. It's time to rate this Jade Roller. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $20, so our rating for its price goes 5 out of 5. Our next preferred Jade Roller is a vibrating roller that will make your experience more effective. It is the Finishing Touch Flawless Contour Vibrating Facial Roller, which will make your skin look flawless. The rollers are made of natural rose quartz stones from South Africa that hold a cooling sensation on skin, and is featured with a built-in controlled vibration that gently massages the skin to stimulate blood flow and collagen production. It also comes with an interchangeable under-eye press head that helps to depuff dark circles under the eyes and even out swollen eyelids. This handy tool also helps to work on your favorite serum or moisturizer to absorb better into your skin and enhances the benefits of the skincare products. The roller head and under-eye press can be refrigerated to increase the cooling effect. The Finishing Touch Flawless Contour Vibrating Facial Roller is available on Amazon and earned thousands of reviews and ratings from the users. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews, it feels great on skin, helps to reduce the puffiness and wrinkles. Though apart from its usefulness, some users were not happy with its performance, and some received broken products from Amazon. It's time to rate this Jade Roller. According to users, it is easy to use and effective on wrinkles and fine lines. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. It is suitable to use for everyone. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $20, so our rating for its price goes 5 out of 5. If you are looking for a secret weapon that will make your skin brighter, tighter, and much more youthful, the Roselynboutique Jade Roller is a miracle for you. This self-pampering tool is the best new addition to your skincare routine. It is handcrafted from genuine and natural jade stones that help to stimulate circulation and aid lymphatic drainage, which can help decrease puffiness. The cold temperature of the stone helps to constrict blood vessels and reduces redness, eventually increasing skin brightness. It also enhances the penetration of your favorite skincare products. It is ergonomically designed for peaceful experiences and can be used all over your body. It comes with a gua sha scraper that helps to improve the loss of firmness and elasticity in the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The Roselynboutique Jade Roller is preferred by lots of popular beauty blogs and also available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. Check some real reviews from the users. The reviews say it all. This Jade Roller is highly recommended by the users. It is a must-have for self-care routine and makes your skin feel soothed and calm. But while many are expressing the effectiveness, for some it didn't work at all. It's time to rate this Jade roller. According to the users, it is a highly recommended must-have skincare tool. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $20, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. So these are our top pick Jade rollers. We have selected all these products based on users' responses and recommendations. Outcomes and experiences may vary from one person to another. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.